Hey guys, welcome back to today's vlog. Today, it's kind of a boring day. Got some fresh kicks with the dog. Got some Menteis, dog. This is my apology video. Nah. It's actually a singing vlog.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Bailey, we're uploading once a week, aren't we? It's the main man of the channel, Baylee Davenport. Or as I like to call her, bitch. It's pretty fucking good quality if I do say so myself. Really brings out the ugliness in my face. I got a new tattoo.
But I like to put a little on because I
That's what it looks like.
wear it. So,
So I never get lost. Holy shit! Today, we're taking the fucking Civic. He's left my lights on, my battery will die. It smells like fucking dank ciggies in here.
Absolutely reeks of smoke.
And start up, so you guys can know what it sounds like. Please start first, go, this will be embarrassing.
So I guarantee you all we're going to hear is the car.
Tonight's agenda is four-way. We're going to get some alcohol, get sloshed up, and then have a four-way. So me and Tyler, Bailey and Claudia. No gay shit, no touch girl. Transition. I will literally fucking
turn this off?
Got some filters. Oh, I probably can't put this in, it's going to get fucking demonetized. Fuck oath! They know us.
Yeah, you know
Yeah, every time we go out, we always get recognised. But how hard is it, right, being so fucking famous?
I know, see,
Like,
we just constantly
get noticed.
It's like, oh my god, is that Spice Kings? Oh. No one has ever noticed Bailey in public. I might,
and until she comes out with us, obviously.
and yeah, but they're like, oh my god, that's Spice Kings, and then they made that video with Bailey Davenport.
Yeah.
Rack into your steering wheel. That could have been more illegal.
You wanna see how far we can drive?
I gotta put a clip in.
Anything for the vlog.
You can't want to be on YouTube. Say hello. What are you gonna say, motherfuckers? You got something to say, bitch? Oh my god! Don't show me. Subscribe. See you later. Fuck, they're ugly.
Right, first gear pull.
First gear pull, let's hit. That's mean as.
So, we're gonna rename the channel from Baylee Davenport to Baylee Davenport and Friends.
Bailey Davenport and Co.
Yeah, she ain't getting all the fame out of this. We're gonna start making merch. Comment down below what you want on the shirts.
Pink hoodie. With my pubes on it.
Yeah. We're not gonna have Bailey's head on it because it's not gonna get any sales. So me and Tyler can have our face on it. And the quote underneath will be "Entei, bruh," and that's what we're gonna get. Yeah. So comment down below what colours you want. If you want hoodies, shirts, shorts, key tags, fucking stickers, air fresheners. Yeah, fuck COVID because you're not gonna get any of that unless you want to wait 6 months.
I tell a nigga don't dick ride, don't dick nah, nigga tell a double thick guys, no sister, chaser. Now we catch him at the chicken spot, up a couple times, fuck that nigga with a.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog.
oh my god.
I'm back again. Fucking Tyler. Kicks got absolutely banged up. What are you doing? Get out, I'm fucking vlogging. Yeah, as I said, banged up. Also, my speedo's out, so don't speed. I mean, the car is in perfect working order. According to the Queensland Government website. We are on our way to the McValley to take photos of the absolute beast known as the Sabaka.
Welcome back today. Well, tonight, because it's 7:15. Going to a car meet. So, we say goodbye to Mochi. Bye bye, Mochi. Anyway, we're going on a car meet. Let's vlog this stuff. What do you got to say?
My stomach hurts.
And look, she stood on my legs. And now that actually ruined my fresh
stand on the
legs.
other
Oh
one.
my god, she stood on the Excuse me. A beating must occur. Hey guys, and welcome back. So we didn't record anything at Hump Days because why would I? Nah, JK, completely forgot I left the camera in the car. But Hyundai's got shut down because too many people were doing sick dog skids.
Someone nearly crashed.
Someone did crash, actually.
Oh, they were, yeah, they
He absolutely sent it, did a mad dog skid, and went straight into the medium strip, which was actually hilarious. Cause like, imagine it. Yes. So somewhere. Now we're in the fucking fast lane. I'll give you. Hold this, bitch.
Oh no.
3 second sleeper. Drake, you watch. You watch. I got this in the bag. I'll tell you.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Carl's gonna lose. Everybody, watch this.
This is awkward as fuck. Hey, how you going? How's your day been?
I knew it was gonna happen.
Fuck, it's so close.
No, not close at all.
Hey fam, we're out here at Hot Shots. It's Terry T 003. And there's Kai Shifke with the actual massive cock.
You've all seen it.
I actually don't tell anyone.
And you forgot
Yeah, I
to
just
introduce
flogged
me.
an ex-us. No one
This is my YouTube channel.
I don't care.
I'm not even in it anymore. It's just you guys.
Yeah, well, that's because it was what makes a vlog.
She's almost got enough to get the pay for the month.
I've tried to watch every ad I possibly can, Bailey. I'm sorry, it's just not working, bro.
This camera would love to just focus, even the slightest. Wave. No, properly. Wow, that's bright. Are you taking a piss?
So you don't think she have a new car?
Oh, it's not funny.
Welcome back. Terry's got tape on his face.
Oh.
Nice.
Yeah. Damn. I'm watching TikTok. Can you shut the fuck up? I do not want to have to repeat this fucking video again. God, you do that every time I'm trying to fucking watch TikTok.
A live fight, quote unquote.
Shut up! Shut the fuck up!
Welcome to Day in the Life. I know I've been a real bad girl. Bailey, when you read this clip, you're fucking shit at choosing songs.
Ladies and gentlemen, Kai Shifke. Holy fucking shit! Post skid review. How was it?
You know, bad good songs.
Wait a second. That was terrifying.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Terry Treadwell. Pre-skid interview. Terry Treadwell. How's it gonna go?
I'm gonna crash.
He's gonna crash. Just one. I won't crash a car. I will not crash a car.
No. Wait, can I see?
How do you feel? Well, here we
I feel
go.
like I don't have to fucking argue anymore. And as you release the brake.
No way! That's how you do a skid. What? Oh! Coming from the bonnet. No.
Pop the bonnet.
No way. Oh, what is that? Nah, that's so your tires stopped spinning. Yeah, and then it started smoking.
I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna die. Okay, so time to get into Terry's car. I'm actually terrified because it's Terry. Okay. Holy shit!